It is a glorious Tuesday, and today, on this awe-inspiring Tuesday of glory, Top 10 YouTube channel teach you all about importance of bird facts. Let's get right into it.
Birds are yellow and have no teeth. Number 19. Birds are capable of higher level thinking than any human brain ever made. This is likely how they learn how to fly. The scientists aren't too sure about this due to their aforementioned tiny brains.
Number 18. A pigeon ate my French fry one day. I don't really care because I had a lot of French fries. But I hope the little guy was grateful. Number 17. Bird skulls are easy to crush.
Number 16. It is surmised by scientist eyes there is in fact a new species of giant condor. It stands a scarily 5.5555 foot tall. It has beak of bone and heart of stone. Get close enough and make him named. But get too close and you'll be maimed.
Do not help an injured seagull. They are freeloading bastards. Run away after you give them medical attention.
Number 14. Flamingos are cool because they have pink, which is the best color. Number 13. If you get an albatross in golf, this means you won and get to keep the ball. I have a large collection of because I always make sure to score the albatross.
Number 12. Shooting an albatross bird will give you approximately 40 minutes of bad luck. You should not shoot this bird because this bird is cool. Number 11. Toucan is wear lots of rainbowful colors on his beak and it is beautiful. I cannot remove my peepers without the use of outsword violence force, so I don't like these birds.
Number 10. If a bird poops on you, immediately go to the emergency room. Bird poop is extremely toxic, poisonous, and you should seek immediate attention, or else you may die of dookie disease. Number 9. Birdo from Super Mario Bros. 2 is not a bird. This makes them imposter.
Number 8. You can download Angry Birds Star Wars on your iPod whenever you damn please. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. You are your own man and or woman. Act like it. Number 7. Do not teach a parrot to say the word Jehovah, as this will cause him to become a heretic. However, nothing will happen to the parrot, as the parrot are immune to flying projectile and can hold them in stasis to protect themselves.
Number 6. Some birds have bad words as names. These make them fucking bastards, because I cannot talk about them in show and tell. Number 5. There is a big, stupid birdie outside my window, tweeting, and he doesn't ever shut up. This makes him a cicada.
Number 4. Apparently, there are birds called BlueFooted Boobies. There is nothing funny about this. It is not a laughing matter. This should be taken seriously. This is not a joke. Don't laugh about this. I have work to do.
Number 3. The 3 primary types of birds are the cardinal, the blue jay, and the yellow one. It is said that each carries a third of the key that will open the gate of the underworld and bring holy retribution to those deserving and the damned.
Number 2. Chickens are not birds because they taste good in my chicken sandwich. Real birds do not taste good because feathered.
Number 1. Birds are not bugs, so the bug facts do not apply. Remember this, you may forget and embarrass yourself. Remember to subscribe, or else you will have 40 minutes of bad luck. Thank you for peeping upon the list of bird-related facts. Make sure to subscribe forever. Maybe even comment if you remember to. May your Tuesday be golden.